Welcome to part 4, the final part of how to help your kid master division with interpreting remainders. We're just wrapping it all up. We'll be using a label from a package of cookies because it's so real world and you can ask so many questions just based on the label. Let's look at the label. So we have our nutrition facts here and we see that there are 11 servings per container and the serving size is 3 cookies. So that tells us that if we multiply 11 times 3, that gives us 33 cookies in the entire container. So that's all the cookies in this package. And we'll be answering a series of questions just based on this information. So there are 13 packages of cookies that were purchased and shared among 5 classrooms of students. When visualizing these problems, students should understand first they have to figure out the total number of cookies, which is why they have to multiply the 13 times 33 and get 429 cookies. And when they set up their division problem, it's important to label all of the parts. This helps you to understand if the kids get it, and it also helps to guide their thinking when you're asking the different questions that you're going to ask them. It helps them to see it all written out before them. When they perform the division, then they are left with 4 cookies that are remaining, and they have 85 cookies that each classroom of students will receive. So at this point, you have several different questions that you could ask the students. You could ask the students how many cookies remain. That's the first thing. You could ask them how many each class is going to get. 85. They've already labeled that information. At this point, we know that they have the 85 cookies with 4 remaining. But what if we wanted them to have 0 remaining? So they know that they have the 85, and they can take the 4 whole cookies and divide those into 5 groups, or divide them among the 5 classrooms, and they get 4/5 cookies with nothing remaining. They've divided every cookie all the way down to its parts. So each classroom will get 85 and 4/5 cookies. This helps us to understand if the students really understand what they're doing with interpreting the problem, but it also relates back to fractions, which is the same as division. So all of it, you're helping to make those connections when the kids are doing this division, and you're asking the questions to guide them through and guide their thinking. This is Tony, your MathWise coach. If this video helped you at all, be sure to like, follow, and share, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need any PD, go ahead, look me up. I'm setting up PD as we speak. I'll see you next time.